Okay, guys, welcome to our new lecture. This is an introduction to chatbots by myself, Dr. Syed Hassan Amin. Let's begin. We look at the key questions that should be coming to your mind, but I am giving a shout out so that I mean, they might come to your mind. I'm planting these questions in your mind. So you must be thinking, what are chatbots? Assuming that, most of you guys have never used a chatbot. Have you guys used a chatbot?
No.
No. So most of you probably have never used a chatbot, although they are becoming quite a common occurrence in different websites.
Amazon यूज करता है
Definitely Amazon use करता होगा ठीक है and there are many other even common websites are using chatbots for support and other things. So then why is there so much interest and hype around chatbots? Of all the NLP applications, and I have covered at least two of those, like uh, what was that?
text analytics.
Tax analytics, fake news classification, sentiment analysis. So, yeah, I have covered at least three of these application to certain extent. Uh, but obviously, we did not talk about chatbots. So, chatbot, you would be surprised, is the most hyped and invested in application of NLP. So why are people and our organization building chatbots? It is so much hype. Why are they building it? If everybody is building it, why are not we building it? Why are we not thinking about it? Are we used to, thinking 3 years, 5 years, 10 years behind everything, which is sad, but we should also be thinking about it. And that's obviously the skills, knowledge of chatbot. The idea is that ultimately the organization would get excited about this, and we will also be building chatbots in some near future, which is what I expect. But once you decide that okay, we are going to build chatbot, then what are the challenges involved in building chatbots? हमें क्या मसले आएंगे हमें क्या चाहिए होगा ठीक है that's the next thing. What is ROI for building chatbots? Okay, everybody is building a chatbot. हमारे लिए उसमें क्या है रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होगा ठीक है what are some of the interesting applications of chatbots for commercial organizations? And finally, what kind of techniques or approaches are used to build chatbots? So maybe your team, but obviously, if you are going to build chatbot, then obviously the bosses are going to be involved. The commercial people, marketing people, sales people, product people. So a lot of people will be involved, and apart from obviously. You are concerned more with how to build chatbots, but before we get there how to build chatbot, there are other people who would be involved in why we should be building chatbots, what the return on investment and all that ठीक है ना or whether we should be building a chatbot as our product strategy or not. So these are all that would be involved, and because you are the guys who know the most about chatbots, so you are the ones who have to provide all the answers as well as it usually Within this, we are looking at, obviously, we are giving a brief introduction to conversational AI. So conversational AI is the main area that deals with, chatbot development. Then obviously a bit of history and, categories of conversational AI systems. So that would give us, a broad but comprehensive introduction to conversational AI systems that we want to ultimately build. One of the things that we have discussed as well is that these chatbots or conversational AI systems are growing in importance. So why? Why are they so important? The reason being that it is easy, it enables easy interaction interface between humans and computers. So that's one reason that instead of UI and being obsessed with making UI user friendly, we want to have a medium of interaction that is natural for humans, and no medium of interaction is more natural than obviously voice communication. And it is because of this reason it is an active area of research that is attracting a lot of research and so on and funding with that. To build even a moderately intelligent conversational system is a big challenge in AI. Okay, it requires two main things जो कि आगे जाके आप देखेंगे भी. ठीक है. The first thing that it requires is obviously it's a domain specific thing, and within that domain एक targeted area आपका होगा. Let's say कि product support वो आपका targeted area है. ठीक है. Within product support or system support or database support, whatever that is, or maybe sales support, ठीक है, customer support, जो भी आप उसको कहें, you need you know, tailored, well-defined, but abundant dialogue data. प्रोडक्ट सपोर्ट वाले किस तरह की क्यूरीज आती हैं और किस तरह के जवाब देते हैं, ठीक है, एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह लेट से आपके CSR वालों को किस तरह की क्यूरीज आती हैं और किस तरह के जवाब देते हैं. दैट्स द वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. द अदर पार्ट इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ interdisciplinary techniques. So it's a lot of different techniques involved, and you guys are working in this area and being trained in this area now for a long time. So you guys have a good knowledge of machine learning techniques, deep learning neural networks, and now if you have guys have done some practice in NLP, then you have some idea of NLP techniques as well. Let's look at history of conversational AI systems. So conversational AI systems are nothing new. In fact, in 1999, when I was doing my bachelor's, so our AI teacher introduced us Eliza. I still remember that. I think probably it was there in the books as well. And this was not surprisingly invented in 1966 by Weizenbaum. मेरा ख्याल है हमारी कोई इस तरह की एक एक्सरसाइज भी थी कि हम इस सिस्टम में कुछ डायलॉग डेटा डालते थे और फिर वो क्वेश्चन आंसरिंग करते थे, ठीक है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है. So these things were well known even back in 1999. Yeah, but obviously that looked dumb. Okay. So non-task oriented conversational systems like which we also call chatbots have never been so popular as in recent. Okay? At that time, in 1966, in 1990s, in 2000s, these chatbots were not popular. But in recent times, these chatbots have become immensely popular. Why? Because practical applications from the industries are now there. ठीक है, अब इंडस्ट्री की ये डिमांड है कि यार हमारे पास चैटबॉट होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना। इनफैक्ट जहाँ पे भी इंडस्ट्री में यू हैव 24/7 सपोर्ट, और बहुत सी जगहों पे जहाँ पे यू डोंट हैव 24/7 सपोर्ट, उन लोगों की भी वेबसाइट पे आपको चैटबॉट मिल जाएगा, ठीक है ना। बिकॉज दे आर थिंकिंग कि यार अराउंड द वर्ल्ड कोई हमारी वेबसाइट देखेगा, उसको किसी चीज की जरूरत होगी, वी डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट ऑन द क्लाइंट्स, ठीक है ना। सो एक डेंटल क्लिनिक होगा जो 8 घंटे खुलता होगा, एंड उस लोकेलिटी के अलावा उसको कोई एक्सेस भी नहीं करता होगा, राइट, बट इट वुड हैव अ चैटबॉट, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट द क्लाइंट। They want to be there all the time. So there are many examples of chatbots like Eliza Perry in 1968, and they say it was the first system to pass the Turing test. Alice, Clever, recently Microsoft took a step and built this Xiolis. So Microsoft, Little Bing, uh, you know, they released the chatbot to Chinese users in 2014 and has now attracted more than 100 million users in China, Japan, US, India, and Indonesia. ठीक है, सो चैटबॉट सिस्टम ऐसा नहीं है कि यार आपने 100 सपोर्ट एजेंट्स की टीम बनाई है और वो जो है वो दिन में कितनी 500 काले ले लेते हैं, 1000 काले ले लेते हैं, 2000 काले ले लेते हैं, या क्यूरीज हैंडल कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। सो द चैटबॉट सिस्टम्स दे आर डीलिंग विद मिलियंस ऑफ यूजर्स एवरी डे, ठीक है। सो दैट्स द डिफरेंस, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू स्केल टू दैट लेवल विद only the human level of support. The next question, if they are feeling convinced कि यार चैटबॉट के बगैर हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते, ठीक है, the next question is they are going to ask is what is the ROI on chatbot. So these are some of the examples. So these are different domains like insurance sales, security, commodities, financial services, which is probably relevant to us. So total expenditure in financial services is like $32 billion in United States probably, and out of these, you can save $15 billion if you have chatbots in, right? So it means that either you can grow 2x or 3x with existing resources, or you can save $15 billion, which means you probably have to cut down the resources by at least 1/3 or half. लेकिन ये है कि definitely in a growing scenario, your number one pain is that you can never hire, double your strength. This is what we are going through. We are growing, but we are finding it very difficult to find the people to fill in the places. So with chatbots, your growth problem goes away. With existing 100 or maybe 200 resources, you can always grow to double and triple the strength without feeling that pain. The term that we use is enterprise intelligent assistants for this chatbot. So let's look at the spending on chatbots or conversational AI systems. So you can look at that, that it has been increasing, like probably nearly doubling every 2 years. And we expect that from $2,000, we expect 2018-19 में जो $2,000 या $2,500 का जो लेवल है, $1 billion है probably, it's gonna be $5,000 or more. Okay? So that's the amount of investment that is going to into chatbots. And what does that mean? That means that you don't have a chatbot offering in your business, then you would become क्या कहें इनकम्पिटिटिव कहें incompetent तो नहीं मतलब you will not be competitive anymore. So all these areas like product support, customer relations, marketing, sales, etc. All these areas are going to have chatbots supporting the agents. Okay, so categories of conversational AI systems. So conversational AI systems are generally categorized into task-oriented system. So these are the chatbots which aim to help user accomplish goals in certain domains. ठीक है? And social chatbots which can converse seamlessly and appropriately with humans playing the role of a chatbot companion. Okay? So we are essentially in banking domain, in financial domain, we are essentially interested in chatbots which are task oriented systems. ठीक है एक स्पेसिफिक डोमेन के हिसाब से हमने चैटबॉट बनाना है जिसने कोई स्पेसिफिक टास्क करनी है देखिए ना एज ए डिजाइनर ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है आपके लिए कि आपने डोमेन डिसाइड करनी है किस डोमेन के लिए बनाना है लेट से आपने अपनी जो क्लाइंट साइड वेबसाइट है उसको उधर जो आपके एंड यूजर्स हैं उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए बनाना है अब एक बैंक का एंड यूजर क्या करता है वो पैसे डिपॉजिट करता है उसको स्टेटमेंट चाहिए होती है ठीक है ना वो जो है पैसे विड्रॉ करता है पैसे ट्रांसफर करता है ठीक है सो ये आपकी टास्क है जिसके लिए कि आप अपना यू वांट टू मेक योर चैट बॉट okay so what are now you have a good understanding about chatbots okay what are they ठीक है so chatbot offers a new simple and friendly interface imperative for browsing information and receiving services what does that mean you are looking at chatbot as a UI revolution ठीक है कोई भी बंदा आपकी वेबसाइट पे आता है चाहे उसको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए चाहे कोई सर्विस चाहिए ठीक है ना अब आपकी बड़ी सी वेबसाइट की 10 लेयर्स को टटोल कर वो इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं निकालेगा वो आपके चैटबॉट पे आएगा वो कहेगा मुझे जो है वो इश्यूअर प्रोसेसिंग की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए वट एवर दैट मीन्स ठीक है ना आपको पता है आपको भी नहीं पता मुझे भी नहीं पता वट एवर ठीक है सो कुड बी एनीथिंग that might be buried deep inside your website the chatbot would instantly get you the desired information or maybe it says they want to talk to your sales team or they would ask you whether you can support uh, credit card processing whatever I mean whatever you need so chatbot would answer that question by getting them in contact with the relevant person in your company or give them the desired page or information or desired service whatever they may want so IT experts and industry giants including Google Microsoft and Facebook agree that this technology will play a huge role in the future ठीक है so that's the next step from what ठीक है ना फेसबुक के बाद कौन सी चीज आई ट्विटर के बाद कौन सी चीज आई?
Instagram.
Instagram, WhatsApp, right? Most of your conversation is flowing through WhatsApp, right? ठीक है। WhatsApp के बाद कौन सी चीज आएगी, या WhatsApp की नेक्स्ट वर्जन में क्या चीज आएगी? चैटबॉट, ऑब्वियसली। आप WhatsApp के चैनल पे जाके उससे पूछेंगे यार मुझे ये चीज चाहिए, ठीक है ना? मे बी आप वॉइस इंटरफेस क्यों?
वो तो अब भी हैं बहुत सी
एग्जैक्टली,
प्रोवाइड करती हैं कि हमें ये लिख के हमारे नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप करो और वहां से ऑटोमेटेड रिस्पॉन्स।
वो लिख के करती है ना, लेकिन अगर WhatsApp वाले गूगल को compete करना चाहें तो क्या करेंगे? एक चैटबॉट इंटरफेस दे देंगे अपने WhatsApp में कि जो चीज आपको चाहिए आप हमसे पूछ लो, हम आपको बताएंगे। चाहे पीछे से गूगल भी यूज करो, लोगों को गूगल भूल जाएगा। शैतानी काम है, लेकिन obviously they know it and they will do it, ठीक है। So obviously they all want your attention and they all want your time, ठीक है। आपको घेर के WhatsApp पे तो ले आए हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? मोनेटाइजेशन। WhatsApp मोनेटाइजेशन कैसे करेगा, ठीक है। So WhatsApp will want you to talk to them and be able to answer your queries and so on, ठीक है। So chatbot is a program. What are they today, ठीक है। So chatbot is a program designed to handle communication with the human user via conversation, which could be by textual means, but in future it could also be simply voice communication as well, ठीक है। Already we have very sophisticated voice communication systems that can be used to turn off, turn on lights, heating, uh, you know, uh, anything else, any other systems that might be there, ठीक है। So इसीलिए आपकी इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स की रेवोल्यूशन जो है वो इट्स किकिंग। So chatbots wait for the user to say something and answers it as programmed, ठीक है। So essentially chatbot जो है वो आपको answers देता है according to certain logic. So basic structure of the chatbots includes the following elements, ठीक है। अब आप अगेन उसके डिजाइन में फर्दर जा रहे हैं कि चैटबॉट आप कैसे डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। एक्सेप्ट एंड इंटरप्रेट द इनपुट, प्रोवाइड अ रेलेवेंट रिस्पॉन्स टू द आउटपुट, ठीक हो गया। सो चैटबॉट क्या है? चैटबॉट एक लॉजिक है, आपका एक प्रोग्राम है, ठीक है, जो कि आपकी एक्सेप्ट करता है और इंटरप्रेट करता है इनपुट को। सो दैट्स वेयर योर NLP कम्स इन, ठीक है। एंड प्रोवाइड्स अ रेलेवेंट रिस्पॉन्स टू द आउटपुट, ठीक है। अब वो रिस्पॉन्स आपको उसने देना है, चाहे वो जैसे भी दे, ठीक है। वो जनरेट करके दे, वो प्री कॉइंड रिस्पॉन्स दे, वो कहीं से सर्च करके रिजल्ट्स आपको कॉपी करके दे, ठीक है। दैट इज योर लॉजिक। Now we know what's the high what chatbot is and what kind of high level structure it might have. We want to go deeper into the types of conversational AI systems in order to decide how to actually we are going to build the conversational AI system or chatbot that we want. So there are again three directions that we are going to look into. Uh, so we are going to look into retrieval-based conversational AI systems, generation-based conversational AI systems, and the third direction that we are going to go into is going to tie the first two things and give us further information about conversational AI systems. So we are going to look into chatbot technology generation. Are you guys okay? Okay. So, well-defined approaches for building conversational AI systems have been developed. So good luck. This is not a black art. Okay. So we have well-defined approaches, and these revolve around the end user input. So जो end user input करता है, ठीक है ना? End user inputs an address as a query into the computer. जो एंड यूजर की इनपुट है उसके लिए हम जो टेक्निकल वर्ड यूज करते हैं विद इन दिस कन्वर्सेशनल एआई डोमेन इज अड्रेस, ठीक है. द सिस्टम रिटर्न्स अ रिस्पॉन्स यूजिंग वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अप्रोचेस. एंड यूजर ने एक एड्रेस इनपुट की, सिस्टम ने उसको रिस्पॉन्स देना है, ठीक है. एंड इट कैन produce the response using a generation based approach or generation based system, or it can produce a response using retrieval based approach or retrieval based system. ठीक है. So ये दो मेजर तरीके हैं जो कि आप you can use for producing a response. So let's look at generation based AI systems. Okay, so how do these systems work? ठीक है. So given a queue from the human, आपने एक क्यूरी दी जो कि आपकी utterance है, ठीक है. The conversational AI learns responding models by organizing tokens and words to synthesize new responses. ठीक है. In other words, it's a generative neural network or maybe any other complex logic जो कि आंसर को जनरेट करेगी, मे बी बेस्ड ऑन सिमिलर आंसर्स. ठीक हो गया. यानी एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जिसको somehow हमने ट्रेन किया हुआ है और वो आंसर्स जनरेट कर रहा है, यानी एक तरह से सोच के आपको जवाब देने की कोशिश कर रहा है. सो दिस इज द आइडियल. The other is retrieval based systems. By finding existing responses in a pre-corrected data repository which contains appropriate candidate addresses to reply. ठीक है. Mostly businesses go for retrieval based systems. So retrieval based systems have got responses to various questions, and our chatbot basically has the intelligence to find the right answer that matches best to your utterance or questions. ठीक है. So we go for retrieval based systems mainly because the answers are predictable. They are kind of bulletproof. ठीक है ना. वो कोई अपनी लॉजिक नहीं इजाद कर रहा होता कि कोई भी उल्टी सीधी जवाब दे दे. ठीक है. वो जो है वो जिसको कहना चाहिए ना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का एक अप्रूव्ड और वेल टेस्टेड रिस्पॉन्ड जो है वो यूजर को देता है. ठीक है. और हम उस क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स को हम उनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आंसर्स को हम इम्प्रूव करते रहते हैं. ठीक है. सो आज जो चैटबॉट आप बिल्ड करोगे मे बी 6 महीने के बाद जो है वो ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगा, साल के बाद और ज़्यादा. जिस तरह आपका फ्रॉड का सिस्टम ग्रेजुअली इट्स बिकमिंग मोर एंड मोर इंटेलिजेंट. ठीक है. able to handle all the scenarios and so on. इस तरह आपका chatbot भी जो है वो you will keep feeding it more data and you would keep improving your logics and so on, और वो improve होता जाएगा. ठीक है. So retrieval based conversational AI, retrieval based systems represent the mainstream chatbot system in industry for real world applications since the responses are created by humans. ठीक है. So in our industry, as well as across the board, retrieval based systems are the mainstream. Okay? So this is what we are interested in as well. Why are they mainstream? Okay? The reason being sentences are fluent and natural and hence recorded to be reliable in practice. So एक reason तो ये है, ठीक है? दूसरा reason क्या है? दूसरा reason है all the answers are being screened by human experts and they are approved by the organization as good responses for the type of questions that you are getting. ठीक है? The database consisting of large number of addresses pairs is a key to success. But how are you going to do that? ठीक है? You would create a database where you would have large number of questions and answers. That's your key to success for retrieval-based conversational AI systems. With massive data available, it is intuitive to build a retrieval-based conversational system as information technique retrieval techniques are developing fast. अच्छा, अब ये इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं होता, ठीक है? क्यों नहीं मुश्किल होता? मैसिव डेटा होता है अवेलेबल, आपको नजर आता है मैसिव डेटा कहाँ अवेलेबल होता है? हर रोज आपके एजेंट्स बात कर रहे हैं, हर रोज आपके सेल्स के लोग बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में किसी भी डोमेन में आपके पास मैसिव डेटा होता है, वेदर इट इज रिकॉर्डेड और इट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इज अ चॉइस, ठीक है? आइडियली इट शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड so that it can be audited and then reused for improving the services and marketing and all that. So how are you going to build it, right? So once again, we try to answer this question probably better this time. The core of retrieval-based conversation system is formulated as a matching problem between the query and utterance and the candidate responses. This must be music to your eyes, right, Sean? ठीक है? मसला कोई भी हो जाए, हमने उसको क्लासिफिकेशन प्रॉब्लम बना देना है, ठीक है? फातिमा भी खुश हो गई, राइट फातिमा? यू आर हैप्पी, ठीक है? सो ओके, कोई ना कोई क्लासिफिकेशन एल्गोरिदम तो चल जाएगा, ठीक है? So most strong retrieval systems learn representations with deep learning neural networks. ठीक है? So do we have any DNNs fans here? कोई है फैन? नहीं? अभी तक किसी ने नहीं ट्राई किया? कर लो यार. So DNNs are highly automated learning machines. They can extract underlying abstract features of the data automatically by exploring multiple layers of non-linear transformations. Even in our last lecture, with word vectors, this is what we were doing. ठीक है ना? हमने पूरी एक लंबी चौड़ी अप्रोच बनाई कि हम जो है ना वो मीनिंगफुल वेक्टर्स निकालें, ठीक है, जिनके की सेमेंटिक रिलेशनशिप्स हों, फिर उनको हमने एम्बेडिंग लेयर्स में यूज़ किया, ठीक है ना? फिर हमने उसमें वो ग्लो बेस्ड एम्बेडिंग्स एम्बेड की, ठीक है, एंड देन फिर डीप न्यूरल नेटवर्क बनाया, ठीक है? सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी वर डूइंग इन आवर लास्ट लेक्चर एज वेल. So another way to build conversational system is to use language generation techniques, ठीक है? So आप generation based conversational AI systems भी build कर सकते हैं जिसमें कि आपको उस तरह large database की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, ठीक है ना? मे भी आपके पास कोई ऐसा एरिया है जिसमें कि you have a small number of questions being asked in a lot of different ways, ठीक है? So maybe you have a good database जिससे कि फिर आप यूज करके उनके आंसर्स जनरेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? So let's see, I mean, hopefully we will get some application of this kind of problem as well someday. So with deep learning techniques applied, generation-based systems are greatly advanced. ठीक है? In general, the conversational systems applies the sequence to sequence generation technique. ठीक है? So this is just for information कि जो generation based systems होते हैं वो sequence to sequence networks या sequence to sequence generation techniques यूज कर रहे होते हैं एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस ठीक है सो आपके पास कोई इनपुट आती है ठीक है जिसको कि आप इनकोड करते हैं ठीक है और उस इनकोडिंग के हिसाब से आपके पास कोई उसका रिस्पांस होता है जो कि आप डिकोड करके जनरेट करते हैं ठीक है सो लेट्स से कि आपके पास कोई क्यूरी आई है हाउ इज वेदर टुडे ठीक है तो आपके पास ये नेटवर्क से पास होती है ठीक है so the network has an encoder system ठीक है which somehow maps it to a decoder network which is then able to वो how जो है ना उससे वो 5 स्टेप आगे या 6 स्टेप आगे या 10 स्टेप आगे जाके वो उसको मैप करता है इट पे ठीक है एंड देन इज जब हम हाउ इज वेदर जब वो पढ़ता है तो इट इज एबल टू मैप इट to a weather query. So it can probably generate it is sunny. चूंकि आपने टुडे की बात की है ठीक है ना आपने yesterday की बात नहीं की ठीक है ना so then it maps it accordingly to LSTM. So kind of जिस तरह वो टाइम वेरिएंट या उस तरह के नेटवर्क्स होते हैं ठीक है so it's working according to that. Thank you. If you have any questions, then please go ahead and if you have any questions while watching video, then you can always send me through email or just drop by my office. Thank you very much.